Hello everyone, we are back here again with our next topic, which is taxonomical categories. Am I audible? Yes. Yes, today we are going to see about the topic taxonomical categories. I hope I'm clear. And before beginning the topic for today, let's have a look on our Unacademy Plus subscription plan, which is very beneficial for all the aspirants who are willing to crack EAMCET 2021. So it is a premium content at very affordable prices. Premium content at very affordable prices and structured live courses plus dedicated live. Yes. We have structured live courses and dedicated live doubt clearing sessions are there. Then we have quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis and batches are there for complete preparations. We have test series for DBPs and full-length mocks, etc. with analysis. And everything is included under single subscription. So everything is included under single subscription. There is no need to take other different various subscriptions for different educators. So with single subscription, you will be having access to more than 20 unlimited access to more than 20 plus educators, 10 plus batches and 250 plus courses and 2000 plus lessons. Yes, and it is at very affordable prices, guys. The rates are also very affordable, and for your convenience, we have provided with EMI facilities also for your convenience. So don't miss this opportunity. Do subscribe to our Unacademy subscription, and you can have our 1 month trial plan is also there. But when you compare with other rates, when you are going with higher plans, 12 months and 6 months plan, the rates are getting reduced. So don't miss this opportunity. For complete syllabus completion, you can subscribe to our Unacademy Plus subscription so that you can prepare for your EAMCET. And you can use my code HUMERALIVE for availing extra discount. By using this HUMERALIVE code, you can avail extra discount on your subscription plans. Yes. Next, let us begin with our topic. Yes. Today we are going to see about taxonomical categories. What do you mean by taxonomical categories? We know what is taxonomical categories, guys. Yes, we are going to see today now in an easy way and with a very simplified way. In a simplified way, we are going to see what is taxonomy. What is taxonomy exactly? Taxonomy is the process of naming and classifying things. Taxonomy is the process of naming, classifying things such as animals and plants into groups within a larger system according to their differences and similarities. So based on their differences and similarities, all the animals and plants, they are being named and classified, and after classifying them into various groups, they are being placed under various groups based on their similarities as well as based on their differences. So yes. So taxonomy is the process of naming and classifying things such as animals and plants into groups within a larger system according to their similarities and on their differences. Okay. Then who developed this? It was developed by Swedish botanist Carolus Linnaeus. So Carolus Linnaeus is a Swedish botanist who has given this taxonomy or the system of classification. So taxonomy is nothing but it is the process of naming and classifying things such as animals and plants into groups within a larger system and based on their similarities and differences. Who has developed this? This was developed basically by Carolus Linnaeus. Who is this Carolus Linnaeus? He is a Swedish botanist, right? What he invented? He invented binomial nomenclature. Now, who knows binomial nomenclature? Binomial nomenclature is the system of giving each type of organism, any living organism, a plant or animal is given by two names, that is genus generic name, and we are giving the specific name also. So genus is given and species is named. So such process in which an organism is given with two names, we are calling it as binomial nomenclature. Nomenclature is nothing but naming of an organism. And what do you mean by binomial nomenclature? Naming the organism with two names. One is the generic name and the other is the species or a specific name. Okay. Now this binomial nomenclature and the classification taxonomy led to the development of common categories are nothing but kingdom. If it is plants, it is said as division, or if it is in animals, it is called as phylum. Only the change is division and phylum. The basic thing is mainly is kingdom. Then if the plants are there, division is there. Then phylum is there for animals. Then we have class, order, family, genus and species. Right? Class, order, family, genus and species. So what are there in the classification? Common categories. The common categories what we have is kingdom, division or phylum. If it is plants, we can say it as division, or if it is animals, we are telling it as phylum. So kingdom, division or phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Other all things are similar in plants and animals except for division or phylum. The same thing is said division for plants and phylum in animals. Clear? This is taxonomy. So basically taxonomy is the process of naming and classifying things such as animals and plants into groups with a larger system, and how they are being classified based on their similarities and differences. Who has developed this? Swedish botanist Carolus Linnaeus has developed this. Then what he did, he basically invented binomial nomenclature. What is binomial nomenclature? It is giving a name to an organism by two names. That is, one is generic name and the one is specific name. And finally, this led to the development of common categories such as kingdom. If it is plants, it is division, and if it is animals, it is phylum. But here we are concerned with plants means division. So kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus and species. Now we are going to see what exactly are these categories. Okay. Now first we are going to see species. What do you mean by species? Group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities. So group of organisms with fundamental similarities are placed under this species. Okay. Closely related species can be differentiated based on their morphological difference. Based on their morphological differences, very closely related organisms are placed under same species. Okay. Yes. So based on their morphological differences, very closely related species very closely related organisms are placed under single species, and closely related species can be differentiated based on their morphological characters. So basically, the group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities or the basic similarities, we are placing them under same species, and closely related species can be differentiated based on their distinct morphological differences. Now, when you are going to see an example, the example what we have here is Mangifera indica is nothing but mango. The daily using products what we have is mango. The scientific name is Mangifera indica. Potato is Solanum tuberosum, and tobacco is Nicotiana tabacum. In all these names, indica, mango in Mangifera indica, indica is a specific epithet. That means it belongs to species indica. Tuberosum is species of potato. Then we have tobacco, species of tobacco, specific epithet. So in these indica, tuberosum and tobacco represent specific epithet, right? So this Solanum tuberosum is the name of a potato in which Solanum and tuberosum is species. Now Solanum includes different species like tuberosum, nigrum and melongena. Okay. So this Solanum genus includes different species. What are the different species here? We have tuberosum, nigrum and melongena. Okay. Clear? This is about the species, that is group of individual organisms with fundamental or the basic similarities are placed under the same group. Then closely related species can be differentiated based on distinct morphological differences. And examples we have Mangifera indica mango, Solanum tuberosum potato, Nicotiana tabacum we are saying it as tobacco. In all these three, indica, tuberosum and tobacum indicates represent the specific epithet, and we have said that Solanum tuberosum is potato, in which Solanum is genus and tuberosum is species. So Solanum includes other species also like tuberosum, Nigerium and Melongena. Okay, this was all about species. Now moving upward we have genus. Now what do you mean by genus? Okay, it comprises group of related species. Now we said that species are there. Okay, now the related species, the two or more species which are having more common features, they are placed under one more group which is called as genus. So several species can be placed under single genus. They have more characters in common in comparison with species of other genera. Okay, they have more characters in common when compared to the when in comparison with species of other genera. That is, they are the aggregates of closely related species. What they are? Genus are the aggregates of closely related species. So what exactly is genus? It comprises group of related species. They have more characters in common with species of other genera. Now they are the aggregates of closely related species. Now if we are going to see example, potato and brinjal. Yes, potato and brinjal. We are going to see the example of potato and brinjal. These potato and brinjal belong to two different species. Like they belong to two different species, but they both belong to same genus, which is Solanum. Okay, both of them belongs to same species. Example is potato and brinjal are the two examples. Two belongs to same same genus, though they are belong to different species. So many different species which show similar characters or more related characters, they are being placed under two different species. So yes, what is genus? It comprises a group of relatives and they have more characters in common in comparison with species of other genera, and they are the aggregates of closely related species. Example, when we are seeing potato and brinjal, potato and brinjal belong to two different species, but they belong to same genus, which is Solanum. Clear? Then moving on upward, we have family. Above species is the lowermost. Then above species we have genus. Then we are having family. Yes, above genus we have family. Now what is family? Family is a group of related genera. So family is a group of related genera. That is how we said that genus is the group of related species. Similarly, family is a group of related genera. In this, there are still less number of similarities are there. In this, still less number of similarities are there compared to genus and species. And how they are characterized? They are basically characterized on vegetative and reproductive features. The family is basically categorized based on the vegetative and the reproductive features. Group of related genera is family, and when you are coming to the similarities, they show still less number of similarities when genus and species. Then we have characterized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive features. Now if we are going to see examples, these Solanum, yes, this Solanum, Nicotiana and Datura, all the three are different species. Solanum is a different species, Nicotiana is a different species, and Datura is different species. But all these three species belongs to same family Solanaceae. They come under same family Solanaceae. Above three genera, that is Solanum, Nicotiana and Datura, are placed under same family, which is Solanaceae. Clear? Family, that is group of related genera. What is family? Is nothing but group of related genera. In that, still less number of similarities are seen when compared to genus and species. Then how they are characterized? They are characterized on the basis of vegetative and reproductive features. And when you are going to see the example of any family, we are taking a family Solanaceae. Solanaceae is a family in which Solanum, Nicotiana, Datura are the genus. The Solanum, Nicotiana and Datura are three different genera, but still they belong to a single family, that is Solanaceae. Clear? Then moving again, above family what we have? Above family we have order. Now they are basically identified based on aggregates of characters, and it is assemblage of families. How we said that family is an assemblage of genus. Similarly, assemblage of families is nothing but it is order. What we are calling assemblage of families? Assemblages of family is being called as order, and they exhibit few similar characters. That is the families which are showing still few similar characters. We are grouping them under order. Now we have here, see, Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae. This Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are two families, and we are placing them under a single order, which is Polymoniales. Right? Families Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are included in order polynomials, and why they are placed under polynomials? Based on their floral characters. Based on their floral characters, family Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are included in order Polymoniales. Okay. Yes. Clear, guys, till here? If you have any doubt, you can just comment me in so that I can clarify it. Order is nothing but it is assemblage of families and these for characters. Like we have Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are two different families, but still they are placed under single order, that is polynomials. Why they are placed under them? Because they have few floral characters similar. So based on their floral characters, these Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae were placed under single order. Clear? Then when we are just moving upward again, above order we have class. Then above order we have, now what class includes? The class is nothing but related orders. Still few orders show similarities, right? So the orders which are showing similarities, they are placed under still larger group, which is called as class. Okay. So moving on to higher level, we are having class is the higher category, so or higher taxon we can say. Higher rank is given to them. So the related orders, the orders which are showing a few similarities, they are placed under class. Okay. Like examples, if we consider, we have malvales, rosales and polymonials. Malvales, rosales and polymonials. These three are different orders. Malvales, rosales and polymonials. These three are of different orders and they are placed under single class, which is dicotyledonnae. Okay. Orders malvales, rosales and polymonials are included under class dicotyledonnae. Okay. Based on few similar characters, these malvales, rosales and polymonials, they are placed under single class, which is dicotyledonnae. Okay. This is the class in which this three different orders like polymonials, rosales and malvales are being placed. Clear? Right? Class is nothing but this includes related orders. Now we have seen examples, malvales, rosales and polymonials. They all are different orders, but still they are placed under single class, that is dicotyledonnae. Okay. Yes. Moving on. Next thing, moving upward, will be having division or phylum. Now what is included in this? related classes are included. In class, related orders were there. Now, related classes, nothing but same. If it is in, if you are classifying plants, we are giving it the name as division. If you are classifying animals, then we are giving the name as phylum. So you no need of getting confused. Division or phylum is nothing but similar, same thing. Division is the word we are using for plants, and phylum is the word which are using for animals. Both are the same rank or the same level of classification. Okay. See, plants is division and animals is phylum. So now we are saying that this division is nothing but related classes are being placed in this division, like dicotyledonnae and monocotyledonnae. Dicot means the seeds which have two cotyledons, and monocotyledonnae means the plants whose seeds have single cotyledon. Okay, so these dicotyledon and monocotyledon, where they are placed? They are placed with two similar characters. They are assigned with a higher category called as spermatophyta. They are placed under division spermatophyta. It is a higher category spermatophyta. So this dicotyledonnae and monocotyledonnae, they are placed, and they, because they are showing few similar characters, they are assigned with a higher category. This division or phylum is a higher category, and the higher category which is given to dicots and monocots is spermatophyta. Clear? Division and phylum, that includes related classes. And if we are classifying plants, we are giving using the term division, and if we are classifying the animals, we are using the term phylum. Then example, we said that dicotyledonnae and monocotyledonnae are two different classes which are placed under single division, which is spermatophyta. Clear? Yes. Yes, now finally the highermost category what we have is kingdom, the topmost. Species was the lowermost, right? So the topmost is nothing but kingdom. What do you mean by kingdom? All plants belonging to divisions are assigned the highest category. So the highermost category is kingdom, which is plantae. So in animals also we have the highest category, which is animalia. Okay, category which is plantae. So in this plant, all the plants belonging to all the divisions, that is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, everything, they come under single highest category, which is nothing but kingdom plantae. And as we go higher from species to kingdom, number of common categories goes on decreasing. So when we are moving from higher, when we go higher from species to the kingdom, number of common categories goes on decreasing. Okay. What is kingdom? It is the highest category, and highest category, that is all the plants belonging to different divisions, orders, classes, everything is included under this single highest category, which is kingdom plantae. And as we go higher from species to the kingdom, number of common categories goes on decreasing. Clear? See here. Species is here. So first is domain, that is nothing but all eukaryotes are included. Then kingdom plantae. So kingdom plantae have phylum. Then we have class, then we have order, then we have family, then we have genus, finally we have species. So species is the final and the last level of this classification. Okay. Now if you just, we are going to see an example. See here. This is the taxonomical system represent. If it is plant kingdom, we are saying it as division, or if it is animal kingdom, we are saying it as phylum. Once it is division and phylum, it is both are same level. Division or phylum are at the same level, and but after that, class, order, family, genus, and species. Now you can say how we should remember class, order, family, which is to be come first and which is to be later on. So you need to just remember a simple sentence. Kings play chess. So kings play chess on fine green silk. So king is kingdom, phylum. You know, if it is plants, phylum is replaced by a division. Then C, class, order, family, genus and species. See here. This K is there. K, kingdom. After that we have P, phylum. Phylum is nothing but in animals it is becoming, in plants it is becoming division. Then we have C, class. Then we have order, right? Then we have family, right? Then we have genus. Then finally we have species. So if you are remembering just a single sentence, that is, kings play chess on fine green silk. Kings play chess on fine green silk. Clear? Kings play chess on fine green silk. So 7 are there. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. Now if you just consider a single example here. We are taking a basic example, which is mango. The common thing we use is mango. The scientific name of this mango is Mangifera indica, right? So this Mangifera indica, the name indica is species, right? And it belongs to genus Mangifera. Now we said that family is Unacademy. It belongs to order Sapindales, which is again belongs to class Dicotyledonnae. Then it is under division Angiospermae or Embryophyta, and finally it belongs to kingdom Plantae. All the divisions, all the classes, orders belongs to the kingdom Plantae. Clear? So how to remember this? Kings play chess on fine green silk. You need to just remember kingdom, phylum or division, then class, order, family, genus and species. You can easily remember and you cannot get confused in any way if you just remember this. Okay? If you just remember this, you will never be get confused. And the taxonomical system is very easy, guys. From the lower category, if you are going to start, it is species, and related species are placed under genus, related genera are placed under family, related families are placed under order, orders are placed under class, related classes are placed under single phylum, related phylum or division also, right? And related divisions are placed under single kingdom Plantae. So which one is the highest? The kingdom Plantae is the highest category and the lowermost category is species. And the example also is very clear here. See, Mangifera indica is the scientific name given to mango. So here the indica is species of mango. Mangifera is genus. Then it belongs to family Unacademy, and in return it belongs to Sapindales. The class and division is Angiospermae, and finally everything belongs to kingdom Plantae. This is the taxonomical hierarchy which is to be followed. Clear? I hope you all guys got the easy view of this taxonomical category. See, it is nothing but just naming, classifying according to the similarities and differences. And who has developed it first? Carolus Linnaeus was the one to develop it for the first time. He was a Swedish botanist. Then he has invented basically binomial nomenclature, which means giving two names to an organism. One represents the genus, one represents the species. And finally, it has given the development of common categories like kingdom, division, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. And we said that species with fundamental similarities, we have species, and these species are placed, these species who show similarities, they are placed under genus. Like potato and brinjal belongs to species, but still they belong to same genus, Solanum. Then we said that family, that is related genera, are placed under this family, and they have still less number of similarities, and we said that they are categorized based on vegetative and reproductive features. And we have Solanum, Nicotiana and Datura are the different genera belonging to single family Solanaceae. Then we have order, it is nothing but assemblage of families, like Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are two different families. Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are two different families which are included under single order Polymoniales. One after that order we have class. Related orders are placed under this class, like Malvaceae, Roseae and Polymoniales are three different orders which are placed under single class Dicotyledonnae. And finally we have division or phylum. If we are classifying animals, it is phylum, and if we are classifying plants, it is division. That is, related classes are placed under this. That is, dicotyledonea and monocotyledonea are placed under higher category or divisions, Spermatophyta. And finally, we have said that kingdom is the highest category. That is, all the divisions, all the plants belonging to various divisions are assigned a single highest category, kingdom Plantae, and animals are given the kingdom Animalia. Okay, so this was the representation of this, and here we have also seen an example of Mangifera indica. And the easiest way to remember when to come when kingdom is there, when phylum is there, when class is there, no need to get confused.